Portmore. Hold on, them not a song for Portmore. How come Portmore not have a song? All of the big bad DJ them will live at Portmore. They don't have a song for Portmore. You have Montego Bay. You have, some call it Spanish Town, a prison Oval Rock. You have Morgan Heritage, Rams, Runaway Bay, some more. Well, none of them have a Portmore anthem. Guys, while we are ponder why Portmore have a big song, all that big DJ them, why go on? Write a song for Portmore now. So we have an anthem for Portmore. We're in Portmore City. We're doing deliveries. We're on the delivery trail. Guys, we are your friendly Portmore, well, the entire Jamaica shipping company, allowing you to ship items from overseas. And what is so special, we bring them to your doorstep at home or if you're at work. No matter where you're there, you could have the Portmore mall, it don't matter. And the person who's supposed to collect the package saw me and run gone. Mrs. So me ugly. Why you run gone? Alright guys, some customers don't want to come on camera. It's fine. It's fine. It is okay. We're gonna turn off the camera and deliver our package. Alright. So all of my Portmore peeps, big up on yourself. Remember, we deliver to your doorstep in Portmore. No matter which side of Portmore, east, west, north, south. You can look all the community name there. But anyways, the camera lets me chat too much. So bye bye guys.